Right guys, so about 2 hours ago I started this project and it was covered in moss and you couldn't see any of the colours that we just brought out. So what we've done, very straightforward, put hypo down, left it, rotary head cleaner and then rinse off, and you see all the beautiful rainbow colours. Complete transformation. If you'd like to see how I've done this, watch this video for more. So the hypo's down now, it's only been down a couple of minutes and already you can literally leave this for half an hour and just wash it off. But we're not going to do that. Get the rotary head on it in a minute. Bring this baby up like new. Okay, so I've just finished running over it with the rotary head. Make light work of that. She was a dirty one. So, gonna get my rinse out lance now, just let my tank fill up a little bit. Water pressure out here is really bad. Yeah, rinse it off, collect all the muck. Put like new this. Just like that, the rainbow colours have come out, look beautiful. Looks brand new. That's what we do.